What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a fabulous freaking day. The GTP is still freaking broken. Go figure. Who cares, right? And the Integra is still broken as well, right, Zach? Woo! Woo! But we have a great video for you today. We are introducing a new product to the channel, which you've seen before in the past, and that is this freaking awesome Move bumper that we've been spending a lot of time on. Actually, we didn't really spend a lot of time on it. Spent very little time on it, actually. Only a minor of like 2 or 3 or 4 hours total. But yeah, we just got done painting it, and we are going to be installing it on the truck. So go get the truck. All right, guys, 2001 GMC Sierra 3500, the good old Dirty Max. And for the last couple of days, spent a little time here, a little time there, we got this bumper going. You can visit some of the previous videos, or one of the previous videos that I made about it. Just got done painting it real quick. We did use Raptor liner bed liner, which I like. And the reason why I used the liner was because that's what I did my box in. That's what I did in my box in. And if I end up getting a rear bumper, I'm going to do it in Raptor liner bed liner as well. That way it kind of flows, because the wheels are black and there's just a lot of black accents on this truck, including the front grille, and I think it'll mesh really good with the green. I was going to do it the desert tan, but I kind of turned away from that just because I think it would be a little too gawky. So I hope you guys are happy with the color that this is. I'm very happy. What's that?
Cool if the hooks would have been desert tan.
Yeah, maybe, but it is what it is, you know. But basically, I know a lot of you guys commented in the previous video about me talking about this bumper, about doing the winglets off the side here. I'm gonna be honest with you, I did start cutting them. I did, and I did have them ready. I just needed to grind them down and weld them in place. But to be honest with you, after I put them in place and I looked at them while holding them there on the bumper, I kind of didn't like it. I know a lot of you guys commented in the video about it and said, do it. I didn't like it, guys. I kind of turned away. It looked like a Jeep. It looked too much like a Jeep, to be honest. And I don't want it looking like a Jeep, to be honest. I want it looking like a big boy truck. So yeah, I decided not to do it. I did weld in the winch mount. So the winch mount is vertical, that's welded in. I just got to get a winch for it. And obviously my light pods are in, and we do have some great last fit lights coming for this thing. I think I'm doing flood and like SAE fogs. I don't know if I'm going to put the flood in the middle or the outside or what's going on. But dude, great company. Down in the description below, you can check out all their products and all the other sponsors that I have on my channel from the beginning to the end. A lot of discount codes down there, guys. So if you're interested in buying stuff, there is discount codes down below in the description under sponsors link, 10%, 30%, 5%, all kinds of stuff. So go out there and support the people that are supporting me, guys. Like, please do that. They've, you know, been there for me through thick and thin and from the beginning to the end, and they're still here, which I'm very thankful for. So all I ask is if you do need lights or a turbo kit or anything that's down below there, suspension stuff, whatever, engines, whatever. There's a lot of guys down there that have definitely been a part of the channel for years now, and they definitely deserve the recognition, and they definitely deserve your purchase. So, like I said, links in the descriptions below, or in the description below. Go check them out, guys. Let's get this ugly ass bumper off of here and get this beautiful bumper on.
Why is the truck stupid?
Well, it follows your lead.
Yeah.
So you're stupid.
I hope your truck breaks.
So
that's why you don't have wheels.
Well,
what's it like riding on Steelies? You know what you should get? You should get one of the grills that has the light up GMC.
That's just the GMC logo is all that is.
You should get it in the event that this bumper doesn't block it. That's another thing. The bumper, the thingy up top might block the GMC logo.
No, it doesn't matter.
This is a nice Ford Ranger you got here, though.
It's not a Ford Ranger, goofball.
It's basically a Ford Ranger.
You're an idiot.
You probably take up the diesel pump.
What's that?
You probably unnecessarily take up the diesel pump.
I did not. Shut up. I necessarily take up the diesel pump there.
I hate gas trucks.
Oh, it's stuck in between the tire.
Oh, it's broke. Transmission's falling out.
Now the gun got stuck in between the tire. I was like, oh shoot. As you can see, Zach, it's very easy to take off.
I hate people who have halos.
Have what?
Halos, halo headlights. Can't stand people with halo headlights.
You have halo headlights.
Nah. And you have like,
It's just too easy.
you have like tan and green, and they're both different colors, and I can't stand people who have two-tone color schemes on their cars. That's
You know,
my
your
least
commentary,
favorite thing.
When I said you could talk in the video, I did not mean that.
Guys, he's trying to take away my Second Amendment. This is unconstitutional.
That's your First Amendment right now.
First Amendment, I knew that.
Goofball.
I knew that. I'm sorry, guys. I just recently became a U.S. citizen.
That's if you need a gun.
I cheated on the U.S. citizenship test.
You don't have a U.S. No, yes, you do. You cheated. You were born here.
I cheated on the citizenship test.
What's that?
I'm really feeling the way you're bending your legs right now.
Oh, are you?
Nice flexibility going on. Oh! Woo! You guys normally have to pay for this type of thing. Find him at OnlyFans at Formulas Diablo.
Yeah, my ass. I do not have an OnlyFans.
I hate guys who put tow hooks on their truck, even though their truck clearly could not tow anything.
Shut up. Here it is. I hate you. I hope we trip
Yeah?
in bird shit.
Yeah. We should poke holes in your trans cooler so that way it gets more air.
That's a lot of weight on that front. I can't see. Up.
Does the RC on the lift kit stand for rusted chassis? Hey. Hey, they spelled Ford wrong.
Shut up.
Can you even reach the steering wheel?
Shut up.
Or climbing in a truck should be an Olympic sport. Not only did you use Raptor liner on the front bumper, but you also spray painted yourself a Rorschach test. Your shirt says fast is what we do, but my car blew up.
You blew it up.
I didn't like your HP Tuner's tune on that. If you guys notice, on a 01 GMC Sierra, the hood is actually held up by the roll-up gum. It's just really dirty right now. Hey viewers, if you're ever wondering what the taillights of a Ford Ranger look like, just ask Andy from DFR. This is a nice Bronco.
You'll become a real boy.
Yeah.
I'm the real boy.
Yeah.
Like do it with dance.
That's what everybody says when they buy their first Ford Ranger. Sure, it's a nice Mazda B4000.
Alright.
Why is your cold air intake wrapped in tinfoil?
What's that?
So how is your cold air intake wrapped in tinfoil?
Dude, that's a badass bumper.
Andy, the head mechanic, says for
Show
real,
on the front of that.
as he is on autopilot.
That thing's cool, man. That's cool. Tell me that ain't cool.
Move out of the way. Go do something cool. Move out of the way. I said move out of the way.
I don't
Hey, you dropped your air gun, and it's also not connected to air. Andy is applying the Bondo.
That's the beauty of this stuff here. Is if you get a nick in it, or say for example you get like, you hit something, you just buy a can of this stuff and be like, cover up, and done. You're done.
You guys may be asking yourselves, why did we install a bull bar? And it's simple. It's for those pesky Peugeot drivers. What just happened?
It's because I'm that strong. That's why.
Too much unga
The
bunga.
nice thing is I have more on the bunga, so I must not can't.
It's because this pesky air gun isn't hooked up to the compressor right.
Yeah. Whoo! Wow, something that actually makes me happy for once. I've had so much bad luck lately, and I'm gonna not lie to you. This freaking Move bumper, linked down in the description below, is badass. It looks so freaking sexy on this truck. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Damn, that thing looks fucking nice. This truck just got 10 times meaner looking. 10 times meaner. Dang. Dang, Move. Listen, guys, I need a back bumper. I need a back bumper. I know you guys got them. I need me a back bumper. It's got to match that beautiful front one. I need a back bumper, and I'm going to do rockers and cab corners here, guys. I got to. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. Man, that looks sexy. Needs a little bit of an adjustment, but other than that, it's good to go. It is good to go, guys. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Oh, my God. Wow. God, I love that. I love it. I love it. Here's a little side profile view for you guys, so you can see how much it sticks out. Yeah, there you go. That just makes this truck look 10 times meaner than what it ever freaking was. Ever freaking was. I got my last fit light pods coming. I can't wait to install them. And my winch. Once my winch gets here, it's gonna be party on, party on. Oh my God, a little smudge. I got a little smudge of stuff there, anti-seize that I put on the bolts. So I got to clean that off. But man, it looks nice and even. Everything looks good. Wow, what a nice bumper. I'll tell you what, guys, a little prep work, you know, with these corners and stuff, like you're seeing right here, this is where I grinded everything down and made it look nice and pretty. Even where I couldn't get ground down a lot, you know, in here, for example, and over here, it still looks good. And even on the bull bar, you know, you can only do so much grinding and polishing with the bull bar stuff, you know what I mean? But I'm glad I left the welds on here because they look nice and sturdy. But everything else, like, look at that. You can almost, it's almost like this bumper was never welded together. It's almost like, you know, it came like this. And I highly recommend the Raptor liner stuff for this. The Raptor liner, man, I'll tell you what, it looks sexy. It looks freaking sexy. But there you go, guys. The Move bumper is finally done, welded up and installed and painted and ready to rock and roll. We're gonna make a few more videos about doing the lights and showing you that, and doing the winch and showing you that once I get a winch for it. I'm thinking about a rough country 12,000 pound synthetic rope winch, or should I go with the Badlands Harbor Freight Apex 12,000 pound winch with synthetic rope and remote wireless, which I think I can do with the rough country one too. I'm not sure, but man, look at that. Dang, that looks nice. Comment below, let me know what winch I should go with, guys. That'd be freaking awesome. I appreciate your insight. I do. Man, oh man. Inner liners need a little trimming. You know, I think I might trim this a little bit here. Get some cutters and trim that. I did trim the other side, and the other side looks good. So I did trim that a little bit just to clean it up a little bit. Nothing crazy though. But man, there you go, guys. The Move bumper is on. It looks freaking sexy. Whew. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do me a big favor. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Please go check out Move Bumpers. Awesome freaking company. And deuces, guys.